owacho mano mar Netherlands ochiwo sir mano mar shillings bilion 3 ne sekta mar pur, sir madhi konyo e loso chiemb jamni. Omenda makamano ochiwo kadhe kambi mano mar loso chiemb jamni mayudore gwenge mago mag Athi River, kendo wachore ni biro tiyo kendo konyo e medo chiemb jamni pachoka. Siro jopur kod bero chal tudruok mago mawuok e piny mano e kind piny Kenya kod mano mar Netherlands.
Our program today will include opening remarks.
In these turbulent times, Kenya's strategic importance to the Netherlands and to Europe, and vice versa, cannot be overstated. As a regional hub, Kenya offers access to a rapidly growing regional market of more than 500 million people, supported by strong infrastructure, a youthful and educated workforce, and a vibrant and innovative private sector. And so it's no surprise that the Dutch economic footprint in Kenya is large and growing. The Netherlands remains one of the largest destinations for Kenyan exports globally and consistently ranks top in the European markets. Beyond trade, Dutch investment continues to play a pivotal role in Kenya's economic transformation. The Netherlands Business Hub in Kenya has a membership of around 100 multi-sector companies, while over 150 Dutch firms operate in Kenya, driving growth, jobs, and innovation. A recent addition is De Heus, whose investment of over 3 billion Kenya shillings in a local animal feed production plant strengthens agricultural value chains, supports farmers, and enhances food security. Such investments demonstrate how private sector engagement can deliver both commercial and developmental impact. And another recent addition is the opening of a Dutch desk at KCB Bank by Invest International in order to unlock access to finance for both Kenyan and Dutch businesses.